June 21st, first day of summer. There's no place I'd rather be but right here in Shillington at Skateaway. Must mean Summer Extravaganza 5. 5 years we've been coming to this building, showing why we are the best tag team, not only in World Pro Wrestling, but the world. And I don't care if it's Team New Era, VD, and War Gods. We're coming for you, War Gods. You understand? KFC, you too. It doesn't matter who it is, who we got to go through to get what's rightfully ours, to sit atop the ratings as WPW World Tag Team Champions for a 3rd time. Longest reigning tag team champions, only 2-time champions. We're here to claim them one more time. It doesn't matter who it is, what kind of match. We'll do it at Skateaway, we'll do it at Riverside, hell, we'll do it down by the river. I don't care where it is. We are the Himalaya Players, the best tag team in the world, because, big man, you say it better than I do.
Basically, it's like this. There's 3 different types of people in the world. Those who don't know what happened, those who wonder what happened, and people like Dr. Ruthless, Ron Starr, the Himalaya Players that make things happen.
We're going to make it happen here in World Pro Wrestling. Bet on it.